I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass pattern, how to remove password, and how to unlock the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Right now let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding power key and volume up. Let's keep holding both keys. Alright, now you can release both keys. As you can see, the HUAWEI recovery mode pops up, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe data and press power key to confirm it. Then you need to enter the word yes to confirm the operation. Choose here wipe data factory reset and press power key to delete all personal data, customize settings and installed apps just by pressing the power key right now. Here you've got the information about the factory reset protection. So if you are logged into a Google account, you will need to enter your Google password to access your device after restoring factory settings. So you have to be aware of this. So now let me scroll down and choose wipe data factory reset, and that's it. The device is formatting itself, the phone is erasing all personal stuff, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. As you can see, the HUAWEI welcome panel, the HUAWEI recovery mode pops up again, so let's choose reboot system now, press power key to confirm it, and wait for the initializing screen. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that everything went well, the hard reset is done. You may also notice there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your HUAWEI Mate 20. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.